Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll guide you through how to write an agreement letter for event sponsorship. This formal document outlines the terms and conditions between a company and its sponsor. You'll begin by including your company name, address, contact number, email, and website URL at the top. The date of the agreement will follow, making it clear when the document was created. The subject line, Sponsorship Agreement for Event Name, will immediately inform the reader about the purpose of the letter. When you address the sponsor, use their name to personalize the letter and ensure clarity about the recipient. After that, write, "We are pleased to inform you that your company name is inviting sponsor's company name to be an official sponsor of our upcoming event name, scheduled to take place on event date at event location. As part of this agreement, your sponsorship will provide your company with exposure to our audience through various promotional channels, including mention specifics such as logos on marketing materials, event signage, social media mentions, etc. In return, we request a sponsorship contribution of sponsorship amount, which will be used to cover event expenses such as list major expenses like venue, catering, etc. This sponsorship agreement is valid until end date and can be renewed upon mutual agreement. Please sign and return a copy of this letter to confirm your sponsorship commitment. Should you have any questions or require further information, do not hesitate to contact us at your contact information. We look forward to partnering with you and making Event Name a memorable and successful event for both our teams. Sincerely, your full name, your position, your company name. Here's our sample agreement letter for event sponsorship. You'll notice how it clearly outlines the terms and conditions of the sponsorship, including the sponsor's contribution, what they will receive in return, and the responsibilities of both parties. By following this format step by step, you can create a clear and professional sponsorship agreement that sets the stage for a successful partnership. This letter will help ensure both parties are aligned and understand their commitments. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on writing agreement letters for event sponsorships.